Hello guys, so in today's video, I'm going to show you how to add product GIFs on Shopify. Animated GIFs are a great way to show movement, texture, or a quick before and after without asking shoppers to click play. They can make your products feel more real, especially for things like clothing, skincare, tools, or anything that benefits from seeing it in action. Before we start, make sure you have your GIF saved on your computer. If possible, keep it short and optimized so it loads quickly. Smaller files help your product pages feel fast and responsive, which is super important because slow pages can cause shoppers to leave. Open your browser and go to shopify.com. On the homepage, click Login. Sign in using your preferred method, whether that's entering your email and password or using one of the available single sign-on options. Once you're in your Shopify admin, you'll see the main navigation panel on the left side. Think of this as your command center. From that left panel, click Products. This opens your product list. If you have a lot of items, use the search bar at the top to quickly find the product you want, which saves time and helps you avoid editing the wrong listing. Click the product you want to add a GIF to, and the product details page will open. Scroll down to the media section. This is where all product photos and videos live, and it's exactly where your gift will go. This section is what customers see first when they land on that product page, so it's worth taking a moment to plan the order of your images. Click the Add button. You can either drag and drop your gift file into the upload area or click to browse your computer and select the file. If you're choosing between multiple versions, pick the one that's the clearest, loops smoothly, and is not too large. A crisp, short loop often looks more professional and keeps your page snappy. For example, a quick product demonstration that repeats seamlessly usually performs better than a long, choppy animation. After you select the file, let it upload completely. You'll see the GIF appear in the media gallery. In some themes, the admin preview may look like a still image until everything finishes processing. This is normal. The GIF itself will animate on the live product page as long as the theme supports animated images, which most modern Shopify themes do. If the GIF looks grainy or loads slowly, consider compressing it and re-uploading. Tools that reduce colors or shorten the loop can dramatically improve load time with minimal visual impact. This is especially useful if your customers are browsing on mobile or slower internet connections. Also, try to keep your GIF alongside a few high-quality static images so shoppers can zoom in and see details when they need to. That way, they get the best of both worlds, movement and clarity. When you're happy with your media, click Save at the top right of the product page. Saving makes your changes live on your storefront, so customers can immediately start seeing the new animated content. That's it. You've added a product GIF to your Shopify item. To recap, go to Shopify Login, open Products, select your product, head to the media section, add your gift, and save. With this simple update, you'll help customers understand your product faster and increase engagement on your product pages, which can lead to more confidence and often more sales. And that's it. Super simple, but really powerful. Adding animated GIFs can make your products feel more alive and help shoppers understand them faster. If you found this helpful, make sure to hit that like button. It really helps the channel. And if you want more Shopify tutorials, tips, and walkthroughs, go ahead and subscribe so you don't miss future videos. If you have any questions or if your GIF didn't show up the way you expected, drop a comment below and I'll do my best to help you out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.